So we're here at the car event, and we're at this new release at new shop opening, Only Cloud Smoke Shop. They're doing a giveaway today. Everyone's hanging out. Carolyn's having a good time. All the car guys are here. Yeah.
Interior.
Yeah.
We're doing interior first.
Yeah.
I got starlights done recently.
Yeah.
And the carpets.
Yeah.
I shampooed it. The night is black.
Tight.
When I bought this car like this, it had the wheels and the coilovers.
And the coilovers? Hell yeah. What kind of coilovers? Do you know? Babe, what did you think of our first little car show event? Was it fun?
Rad.
Yeah, all the guys here were super nice. I can't remember all the names of the groups, but I'm gonna get to know them and I'll let you guys know more about them. So we're gonna jump in the SC right now.